Chicken nugget drug. Hey, get your nuggets for free. What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a very special guest. This is my fiance, Shane. Say hi.
Hello, I eat things.
We thought it would be really fun. We saw Burger King put out a new promotion, 10 nuggets for $1. And so, of course, the internet has taken it and they have created a 100 nugget challenge. So, he wanted to see if he could eat 100 nuggets. I wanted to see if I could eat 100 nuggets.
I don't want to see if I can eat 100 nuggets.
All right,
I just want to eat the 100 nuggets.
He knows he
prove
can.
that I can eat it.
Yes. So we decided to get 100 nuggets each and all of these sauces. So we got barbecue, honey mustard, sweet and sour, buffalo ranch, and then there's just a random honey mustard in here because one of the other ranches exploded in the bag. I've also got a plate of mayo and ketchup that I'm gonna make pink sauce with. Shane's gonna have some water. I am drinking my favorite kombucha, as you guys all know. There we go. Oh, yeah, that wasn't difficult. You can come out of hiding. People ask me sometimes, like, I don't understand why people cover their faces and shove the food in the camera. It's because the focusing system on the camera is looking for our face. And so if our face is...
That artificial intelligence taking over the world.
It's AI.
Stupid camera.
Also, a really awesome thing about ordering 100 nuggets at once, or even 200 nuggets at once, is that they are likely not going to have them ready for you when you get there, so they make them fresh to order. Yay, hot nuggets!
They were hot. I doubt they are now.
All right, so we wanted to set a time limit on this. Do you have your phone?
It's charging.
Oh, let me grab my phone.
Just want everybody to know that I'm missing a Gator football game for this, so you better appreciate it.
Oh, yeah.
Because I'm a big Gator fan.
I know. Comment below if you're a Gator fan. Comment below if you're a Seminole fan.
Oh, well, I
Gators
shouldn't worry
suck.
about that. No one's going to comment because your guys' fan base sucks.
Okay, so we wanted to put a time limit on this. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna set the clock for 30 minutes. We're gonna see like how fast we can eat them, and if I can't eat all 30, then we'll see how many or if I can't eat all 100, we'll see how many I can eat in 30 minutes. So, timer, 30 minutes on the clock. Are you ready? Okay, guys, and go. I don't know if I've ever had Burger King's nuggets.
Nope, first time.
They seem like they have more seasoning than McDonald's.
That's 10.
You got 10?
Yeah.
Oh my god. How many am I on? I don't even know. I haven't been counting. What's your favorite sauce so far?
Warm. Right?
It just just mixed ranch and honey mustard. That's kind of weird. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, it's got a thumbnail.
Hold on. I got one more. What's the time?
27:50.
So 2 minutes and 14 seconds
Uh-huh.
to 20.
Okay. 27, what was it? You just ate 20 nuggets in
2 minutes and 14 seconds.
2 minutes and 14 seconds. So that's shattering records, I'm sure.
I think we'll have to confirm
From the
that.
20 nuggets in 3 minutes challenge?
Yeah, that's what I heard. All right, now that I can talk. I don't know what to really think about it.
I feel like my favorite so far is the ranch and buffalo together.
I've really only eaten barbecue, honey mustard, and sweet and sour so far. Barbecue tastes like barbecue.
Mm-hmm.
Honey mustard's good. I'm usually a big honey mustard fan. I'm not a big fan of that. I'd say no.
Really?
It's just not meant for it.
Oh my god.
Sweet sour is good. Look at that.
Pink sauce is money. Do not listen to him. Oh my gosh.
On fries, yeah. On nuggets, not so much. I think my favorite is sweet and sour. I haven't tried buffalo.
I'm eating too fast.
Too fast.
Yeah, I start to like not be able to breathe.
I thought you said that your whole strategy is to eat super fast so that your body doesn't realize it's full.
I know. Yeah.
Can't
There's
have
a
it both
drawback.
ways.
Not feeling full or being able to breathe.
Alright, definitely not the buffalo. Definitely not the ranch. Water ranch and the buffalo. That's not bad. Well, it's definitely sweet and sour. So, I did start to understand what your friend was saying about your jaw getting tired from chewing that first 20. It was like speed chewing.
Yeah.
Even then I was swallowing half the nugget whole pretty much.
The same thing happens when I eat a steak. Like, if I'm eating a big steak, there's just so much chewing. Even when it's like a fillet, because it's so much more work to chew a steak. I feel like I haven't eaten any.
You look like you haven't eaten any.
I don't know.
I really have put a dent in mine. Still a lot left though. Not even halfway there.
Also, I decided I didn't feel like doing my hair today, which is why it looks like this.
Yeah, I didn't do my hair today either. That's why it looks like this. Usually it's way better. Like yours.
Oh. I feel like it's not fair that women get cursed with the ones that have to look good, and also the ones that have to do the most to look good.
What the hell is that supposed to mean?
It means that we're the ones with the long flowing locks that take a fucking enormous amount of time to do.
Okay, I'm not gonna debate the time it takes.
Yeah.
But your first statement was that you're the ones that are burdened with having to look good.
Well,
Like, we don't have to fucking look good? Is this
men,
PG-13?
okay. Men don't have to put makeup on. Men go au naturel to look good. They put on...
Again, that is debating time taken, not having to look good.
Women have to do more to look good than men.
Yeah.
And so it's like time in that sense. Like a man, what's a man have to do? It's t-shirt time. Oh, he has to put his t-shirt on now.
We've got to put on a second t-shirt.
Big
with t-shirt
fucking
time.
deal. What?
T-shirt time is the second shirt.
So you have your undershirt and then t-shirt
Shirt
time
after
is
the
your
shirt.
top shirt?
No. Not even undershirt and top shirt. T-shirt time is after the shirt, before the shirt. Didn't you ever watch Jersey Shore?
No.
Oh, I thought you had.
I mean, I've seen an episode of it, but...
I don't even know you anymore.
Do you guys watch Jersey Shore?
Well, nobody watches it now.
Or did you watch Jersey Shore? They had a remake, though, recently, right?
It was horrible. I knew it would be.
And, like, you could tell, like, some of them just wanted to be adults. But they couldn't.
The first 2 seasons were gold. It was just honestly like watching a train wreck. Could not look away.
Who doesn't love train wrecks?
And I feel like a majority of it wasn't scripted for the first couple seasons, but after that you could definitely see scripting coming into play.
Do you ever feel like once you burp, you open up, like, all this room in your stomach for more food?
All the time.
Oh, 19 minutes and 40 seconds left.
Let me get an update on my gears. Oh, that's commercial.
Yeah. We've got the Gator game on in the background right now.
Trying to clear some space.
I get it.
Oh yeah, there we go.
Oh, yeah.
By the way, it's cold in Minneapolis.
Oh my god, it's so cold here.
Why did we come here?
For anyone that didn't know, we're from Florida. Both of us. I grew up in Jupiter, which is close to West Palm Beach, and he grew up in Tampa. He moved down to West Palm Beach, which is where I met him. Then we moved to Atlanta, and then we moved to Minneapolis. And we haven't experienced a full winter here yet because we moved in February. But it's like the middle of October. And we're already seeing lows that are in like the high 20s, low 30s. So that's great. People are like, I loved fall when it existed.
Oh man.
How you feeling? A lot of nuggets.
The difficulty of this challenge is starting to set in.
Yeah. No, I'm starting to get full myself. People hate when I breathe heavily.
I feel like
They can always tell when I'm getting full because I'm like,
I feel like if I had to take an educated guess on where I'll actually get here,
75.
about 80.
Oh, what's that chick doing? Oh, that's fun.
What?
Oh, you missed it.
What was you doing?
This chick was walking like she was leaping. She had her full-on cold weather workout gear on, complete with head warmer. and she was just like soldier walking. Sorry, chick outside. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to finish 50.
Alright, I gotta finish all these other ones to get to 80.
There are some mukbangers on YouTube that eat so freaking much. Like if he can't finish this, then I don't know how to feel about women that eat more than this in one sitting. It's just insane. Divine Munchies, I don't know if you guys have seen her channel. She finishes all of her food every single time, and I swear to God, like I do not know how. The one I watched recently was like, how many boxes of macaroni and cheese? Like 4 or 3, and then she had like all of these corn dogs that she also ate. And it's like, oh man, she enjoyed that shit right up until the very end. She's like, oh yeah, oh the corn dog. I'm like, bitch, how are you not so fucking full right now?
Do you know if anyone's actually completed this challenge?
I don't know. I'm sure somebody has. They've had another nugget challenge out before.
Oh, we're winning! Ah!
So there's that.
Oh, boy.
Half the time has gone by.
Fuck.
Do you see what I mean? About the 20-minute mark.
What do you mean? You didn't say anything about
Sounds like even before 20 minutes you start to feel full.
When did you say anything about 20-minute mark?
I don't know if you guys have ever heard of this, but it apparently is supposed to take your brain 20 minutes to realize that you're full. Like the signals or whatever that it shoots up to your brain takes like 20 minutes. And so if you've ever seen an episode of Man vs. Food, R.I.P. Adam Richman, then you see like if there's a clock on the challenge, like a big eating challenge like this, that'll be like, oh, you have an hour to eat this, but he'll always have an internal clock of 20 minutes because he knows that after that it's all downhill. It's a lot of nugs. It doesn't look like I ate anything, but look at me. I've been shoving nuggets in my mouth this whole time.
Mm. Mm.
Guys, I'm doing so terribly. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh.
Wow. Okay, so I've eaten 30.
Ah!
I've eaten 30 chicken nuggets.
Where am I at? Oh, lordy, lordy, lordy. Oh wait, that's 10.
I'm not gonna lie, I more or less wanted to do this challenge with him to see if he could eat the 100 nuggets.
Kind of out of frame here, aren't they? Okay. Wow, so after these 4, I'll be at 60.
At 60?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. That's 40 nuggets?
Yep.
Oh, and I did want to mention that I know like a lot of you really hate food waste, as you should. So anything that we do not eat today, I'm going to go out and find a homeless person to give it to.
Or we could just feed it to Butters. Butters will eat
No.
anything. He's a weird cat. He loves water. Whenever
Oh
I
my
turn the
God.
shower on, he fucking sprints upstairs to jump in the shower with me.
It's actually hilarious. Like when he says sprint, like he's not exaggerating. You hear him running up the stairs when the shower turns on, and he jumps in and he'll like position himself in between the clear shower curtain and the like tub wall. It is so cute. I don't even want to keep eating until the 30 minutes is up. Do you want to call it 20 minutes?
What? Maybe.
30 seconds
Well,
until 20 minutes is up. We can keep going.
oh.
I am so full. Man, I really thought you were going to finish all of it.
Ugh. Well, in retrospect, starting off with the 20 minutes or the 20 nugget sprint might have been a bad idea
I don't know.
because I wasn't able to fully chew all those nuggets.
Oh. Did you like swallow them whole?
Well, I chewed about halfway and then I swallowed the rest, yeah. So I don't think that's helping my cause. Ugh. Oh boy. Ugh. Oh yeah.
I gotta go out and get stuff for dinner tonight after this.
Shut up! What are we even having for dinner? Chicken nuggets?
We're chicken nugget drunk.
Just put them in a blender.
And guys, yesterday I literally just said that I was gonna stop smoking weed
No.
because I'm worried that that's what's been giving me like hangover feelings in the morning. But I could really, really use that right now. Maybe starting Monday. Because it makes me feel less full, and this is just not ideal right now. Chicken nugget drunk. Should we just go into Burger King and start sprinkling nuggets all over the place? Here, get your nuggets for free.
Oh no, don't do that.
Oh, come on.
Also, I'm struggling here.
Yeah, the ranch really is not good by itself. It was the first time I tried it by itself.
I don't want to eat any more sauces, but I can't eat the nuggets without the sauces because it's just unbearable. At this point, they're like cold and bland.
Do you want to call it?
No.
All right, well, 7 minutes and 40 seconds left.
I'm not gonna get to 100, but I'm thinking I could get through like 75. I think that'd be.
How many more do you have?
I got this stack, and then 5 more.
Well, don't
Don't what? Throw up all over
Yeah.
your face?
Yeah,
I'll
gross.
do it.
So gross. Don't do it. I'm about to call it. That was my phone. Like, they seem so small. Like, they're like one bite each. I feel like the sauces definitely didn't help. I mean, though, I'm surprised at how much sauce we have left. Plate of pink sauce is gone though. Yeah, I'm definitely going to start that weed thing on Monday.
Wait, what?
Huh?
Sure, what we do?
Did you not hear the entire conversation I just had?
Oh, you said you stopped smoking.
Well, I'm going to stop the weed thing on Monday.
Oh, I thought you already did that. Did you smoke today?
No, but I'm saying it would really help me right now.
Oh, she's gonna smoke right now.
I feel like I want to. Big tree fell hard. I mean, you have another 12 nuggets in you?
I don't fucking know.
You got 5.5 minutes left. I'm calling it. I'm done, guys. I ate 33. But I don't feel like I'm gonna die. I just feel really full of nuggets. What are you gonna do with yourself after this?
Oh no. Make a nugget castle.
You really did want to do that. Ooh, that's a good idea. Guys, a nugget castle. Some homeless guy. Somebody was telling me a story recently. They were in San Francisco and they tried to give food to a homeless man and he's like, I'm gluten-free. Sorry, man. I don't eat fast food. I bet nobody would be upset if Trump wanted to build a wall made of chicken nuggets.
That is the worst castle I've ever seen.
It's a wall.
Well, why are you building a wall?
Well, I was planning on maybe adding another layer, but I wanted to make sure that it was stable. Isn't it lovely being an adult and like nobody yelling at you for playing with your food like this? Lindsay Green, eat your food like a lady.
Did your mom ever actually tell you that?
My mom was very strict with dinner table rules, actually. No elbows on the table, obviously chew with your mouth closed. She didn't ever want to hear me eating. Which is like, makes this whole mukbang / ASMR thing even funnier. See?
How much time do I have left?
Ta-da! 2 minutes and 15 seconds.
All right, I'm gonna eat 70.
70?
Yeah.
Is that just the rest of that?
Yeah.
Okay. I believe in you. And I guess that makes sense. He's eating 70, I ate 33, so he's eating like double what I ate. And he's like double my size. Shayna's 6'2". And how heavy are you without the nuggets?
Wow.
215, 210? You're probably lighter than that right now, right?
I'm treading at about 208.
208. And I weighed myself before when I did my big diet. I was 113 and people thought I was too thin. Honestly, I prefer to be like thin and have more muscle, which would mean I would weigh more. So it's not like I really care about how much I weigh. It's more about how I look. But regardless, I weighed myself and I'm not like where I am or where I want to be like muscularly yet. So I'm 122 or 123 right now. Probably more like 125 after this. Got 35 seconds.
What?
35 seconds. Let's go. 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 Give me a countdown. Is that it? Oh, gotta have it all chewed and swallowed though. 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, gross. All right, we get it. All right, so in 30 minutes, Shane ate 70. That was a 2. Nuggets, and I ate 33. This feels like, oh, there's rows here. Yeah, never mind. It's like there's a whole other row. And then with my spare time, I obviously built Castle Day Nugs. He has got mini Casa de Nug. So after this eating challenge, we wanted to do a Big Mac challenge to see how many like Big Macs we could eat. And my plan was for each of us to try to eat 5. Do you think you'll be able to eat 5 Big Macs?
Yeah. But then again, I thought I was going to be able to do this, and we'll see how that turned out.
Yeah, the Big Mac challenge is going to be interesting. Alright guys, well, this hath been fun. Now it's time for a Saturday cat nap. Shane slips into...
I see you.
Apparently I have to go to the grocery store. I'm supposed to be making Giada De Laurentiis's... Oh my god. Butternut squash tortellini.
Oh, God.
With brown butter and sage and dried cranberries and toasted walnuts. I might just make steamed broccoli though now. My friend who's coming over is vegetarian, so we're gonna eat just the vegetables and stuff. Anyways, thank you guys so much for joining us today. Boo! I had fun. I had more fun than Shane, I think.
Whatever.
If you guys are not following me on Instagram, I'll put my handle right here, but it is at _hunger_diaries. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, there's a little subscribe button below. I would love for you to subscribe. I do eating challenges like this sometimes, but most of the time I like to go out into the world, go even like travel to different places and eat food for you out like at different restaurants. I just did one in Detroit where we did like Detroit style pizza and Coney Island hot dogs, which I'll link above. I'm about to do a Juicy Lucy tour in Minneapolis that I will be posting within the next couple of months. And this Thursday is my first workout video. So I'm gonna be, it's a watch me workout series. So it's not gonna be instructional by any means. I am not like a trainer at all. This is just like what I do to stay in shape because so many of you have asked me how I look like this and eat like this at the same time. And then I'm also going to be doing some ASMR videos, some food ASMR, which I am super duper excited about. So stay tuned for all of that. And again, if any of that interests you, please hit that subscribe button. And yeah, thank you guys so much for joining us. I really appreciate all of your support. And it was really awesome to have Shane. Come on. It will not be the last time because we still have to do a Big Mac eating competition together. But isn't he cute? Can't you guys see why I love him so much? Alright guys, we love you. And we will see you on Thursday in the gym.
I don't love you.
See you soon.